Hi, I am Sana. My cultural history and ethnicity is I was born in India and I came to Australia with my husband when I was 19 years old in 2010. I grew up in a rural town in India. My family background was low socio-economic. I went to public school in my local town. Public schools in India are in local language. So, I studied in Marathi language. I learned two languages, Marathi and Urdu. My education was in Marathi language, so English is not my first language. I would like to be able to help students whose English is not a first language and help them to learn and feel confident in English. My strengths are my social and peer groups, my family. Weaknesses probably my fear of dealing with people, communicating with them effectively, but I am working on that. As a teacher, I would like to help students find their interest and reach to their full potential. I believe that each child is unique and has his or her own temperament and learning style. Thank you.